Get back. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
You might think that anyone caught in a situation this mortifying would have no choice to just withdraw from the mayoral race immediately, but you don't know Carlos.
Congressman Anthony Weiner says a new scandal will not stop his campaign to become New York City mayor. He will be out on the campaign trail later today.
Wow. That man has got balls. And
Get it, girl. Get it.
clearly
You done?
By the way, a fun fact there, the campaign trail is what Anthony Weiner calls that line of hair from his belly button to his pubes.
Hello, baby girl. Hello, baby girl. You give kisses? Did you give kisses?
Any doubt of the degree to which he has learned nothing from his previous scandal?
Hello, pretty girl. What do you say, Days? Is your ears all cleaned up? Is your ears all cleaned up? Mill. Hello, baby. You next? Mill, you next? Are you next? Are we all done? Are you done, babe? Oh, I know. It's awful. Awful.
So hold on, let me get this straight. You're spinning this by saying, see, I was right all along. I made a promise that there was more sleaze out there, and I am a man of my word. That's a good thing. By the way, just a quick shout out to the guy behind the cubicle. There are two men in that photo who've had their head pop out at inappropriate moments. I could do this all night.
Is it okay, baby? Are we okay?
This is all. This is all a lot of fun. The problem is,
You next?
from there in 48
You next?
days. So we need to know.
Are you next? You want to get your ears cleaned?
Weiner fell off
Huh?
the dick wagon.
You next?
And whether we can trust him at all to get back on it.
Kisses?
Some have asked the question, where does this
Kisses?
some
No?
timeline of the continuum
No? Yeah, you good?
of resignation? Some of these things happened before.
Oh, I know. Rough life. Did your, your nose is running? Hello, baby. Did you see me head? Did you see me head?
Right, it's a timeline issue. It's a timeline
Kisses?
issue. And if you had the choice,
Are you done? You buried your face in the pillow?
only be between
Are we good?
you and your wife. But for the rest of us, the timeline
Are we good?
is everything. So let's review. In
Oh, my goodness.
2011,
Rough life.